Hello everyone, I am back with a new video. Now today we will use a custom proxy using Python to connect to different websites and get responses. Now open your Python ideally, or I will use VS Code. So first we have to install a Python module. So open CMD, or you can direct user ideally terminal and use command pip space install space requests. requests request and hit enter. I have already installed it on my device. Now open a new file. Okay, save it as proxy.py. Okay, where is Python extension? Okay, now type import space requests. We will use this request module to do HTTP interaction. Okay, I will make a proxy variable and make a dictionary. Key will be HTTP and the value will be the proxy IP address and the port number in the value. Open your Google and type free proxy list, and you can see, you can browse any websites and you can see the IP address of many proxies that is freely available. I will copy this first, and don't forget to copy the port also and paste it on the proxy dictionary. Okay, backspace that space and give a colon, and don't forget to put inverted comma at the starting and the end of this proxy. You can use manual proxy. For now I will use only one proxy for HTTP, and I will make a different variable response equals to, and I will use request module dot get. I will use get request, and I will use Python default website, that is https://python.org. okay, and I will give a comma, and I will use a attribute proxies. So I will type proxies, proxies, proxies equals proxy. Okay, now it will gives us the response of our get request. Now you can print this request with print function and just run it. Okay, wait for some moment. If we will get response 200, okay, we have get response 200. It's fully connected to this website with our custom proxy. If you get 401 response, it is not connected to that website, so you need to try a different proxy. Thanks for watching this video guys, hope you like it.